Hey guys, in today's video I'll be making slime without borax, liquid detergent, contact solution, eye drops, Tide, and the list goes on. This is a new method and I haven't seen anyone else use this, so I would say I'm the creator. For this you will need Barrel slime, glue, facial wash, shaving foam, and the optional ingredients, corn flour or cornstarch, and lotion. To make the slime activator, take a little bit of the Barrel slime and mix it with water. I just eyeballed this part. For bigger batches of slime, you'll need more activator, and the more Barrel slime you add to the water, the more stronger the activator will be. Leave for about 2 minutes and it won't matter if the Barrel slime won't dissolve, as you'll see later on in the video. Once you've done that, you can now start to make the actual slime. For the amount of slime I'm making, I added a drop of facial wash, the same amount of shaving foam as glue, a teaspoon of corn flour and a little bit of lotion. And once you've done that, just mix it all together until you get a smooth texture. And once you've done that, you can slowly add in your activator little by little, and it won't matter if there are still little pieces of Barrel slime because everything will come together in the end. If your slime is still looking a little bit sticky, keep adding more activator, and if that still doesn't work, try adding more facial wash. And when it finally doesn't stick to the ball, you can pick it up with your hands and start to knead it. I hope you like this DIY. The good thing about using Barrel slime is because it's really cheap on eBay and it doesn't smell. The rest of the video will be me playing with slime. I hope you enjoyed. And if you want, you can add Fimo pieces or glitter or paint to make your slime look nicer.